Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. This is part 2 of building the loft, and we're gonna call it the Creator Cave. Where we last left off, I built the frame. I got the support. I got the base. It is drilled into the concrete on both sides. Wood planks down at the bottom. Now this is what's funny. These pieces of plywood I just kind of threw up here, all right? These are random pieces. Did not plan this out. I did not cut it. This is all just random pieces that I grabbed. I have some leftover wood that I found, and I just laid it up here so I can have a, you know, clear area. We had that bad rainstorm. I didn't want the wood to get messed up, so I laid it up here. Look how perfectly it just laid out. Literally the only piece I have to cut is that piece right there, and that's what, 2 inches, inch and a half, somewhere like that. But come on, you cannot tell me that's not perfect. Right now we are going to start building the ladder because I really don't want to keep using this as my way of getting up here. And we also got to build a barrier to put right up here because I am clumsy and I know I will fall off of this thing. Okay, I'm gonna have to talk in here because it is pretty windy outside. But let me go ahead and show you how I'm gonna make the barrier. This is 2 pieces of 1 by 1. One is going on the top and one is going on the bottom. This right here, when you go to Home Depot or Lowe's, it is called footers, and it's just pieces of wood that they use to pick up pallets of wood. Like whenever you buy a whole bunch of fence pickets or 2x4s or something like that, this is what they use to pick it up with the forklift in order for them to load it in your trailer, your truck, or whatever you have. They won't use this wood, so they would give it to you for free if you just ask them. But it's not perfect by any means, but if you can find 2 matching ones, this is a set, this is a set, and this is a set. So we got 3 sets. That's enough to do the vertical wood pieces for your barrier. So this is the idea that I'm going for. As you can see, you have the thicker pieces on the outside and then the thinner pieces in the inside. I also have the 1 by 1 on the bottom and the top. That side I'm gonna mount it to, this is a solid piece right here, so I should be able to get some sheet metal screws and that'll be able to hold it on really tight up against the wall right there. Let me go ahead and get that fixed up, screw all the stuff together, and then I'm gonna put it up here to mock it up, and then you can see what it looks like. And this is the finished product. It doesn't look the prettiest, but I mean, it will work. It's literally coming up, I would say about chest level. Yeah, right almost at the armpit level. I don't have to worry about something or someone falling off unless they just fall off through this big opening right here. This is about, I would say, 3 feet of an opening. I left it like this because I want to be able to put stuff up here without having something in the way or just stuff like that. I do want to show you guys in the corner how much room I have. Yeah, it's a pretty decent amount of room. I have working area. I think we'll be good. That looks good now. I had to add a piece of 2x4 along here just to hide all of that ugliness. I still got to bolt down the barrier. I haven't done that yet, and I still got to bolt down the flooring up there. I still haven't done that, and I also got to do the ladders. I'm still not 100% sure what I'm gonna do for the ladder. I don't know yet. I'm still trying to figure that out. That's not gonna work. I was gonna see if I can repurpose a rug, but I guess I won't be able to do that. right, guys, so now we are sitting up here on the loft. We even got a desk and a monitor up here. Just a point of view from down here at ground level. Looks pretty cool. It's pretty comfortable. I have a lot of room, like I said before. I like it. It's nice. I have a nice little spot where I can work on whatever I need to work on, and if I need to, let's say, bring my laptop up here and then connect it to this TV, I'm able to do that with no issues at all. I'm very excited about this. I finally got a loft. I still need to work on the ladder. I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna do the ladder, because I want it to be able to where, you know, I don't necessarily have to use my hands to get up here, but at the same time, I know that would take a lot of space. So I can't necessarily use like stairs, but a ladder, you have to use your hands. So I don't really know what I can do on that. I'm also gonna have to do some type of flooring. I think about doing them foam tiles that you see at the gyms and whatnot. I think I'm gonna do that because they're easy to lay down, they're cheap, and I can also cut them if I need to cut them. And I do have to cut it around the barrier. That'll be easy. I'm also got to figure out how I'm gonna brace this side of the barrier. This side of the barrier is kind of wobbly. This side is braced up against the wall, so that's fine. It's just this side. Not 100% sure what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know if I'm gonna bring a piece of wood all the way up, connect it to that metal frame right there. I don't know yet. Again, this is my first time doing any of this. I'm also thinking about painting it or doing some type of, I don't know, epoxy or sealing on it. At least I got everything I need set up so I can actually see the vision of everything. I still gotta get the metal shelves in here, some type of shelving, because I want to keep some stuff like my jack stands and jugs of coolant or water or whatever I need, oil. Probably keep a few tools here. I'm not sure, maybe a battery charger or something like that. Also need a fan because it's hot. I know I said in the last video that I'm finna reveal to y'all the price of this, but honestly, I'm still not done with it. So I guess we're gonna have to wait until the next time I make a video for the pricing on it. Go ahead, click on this video right here, and this continues on the series for the loft build. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.